click the bell icon and never miss another update from Bollywood Spy.
Bye, 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 bye. Bye, 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 bye. Look to ikde. Bye, look to ikde. अरे सर 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 भाई 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 साथ में भाई सलमान भाई सलमान भाई सलमान भाई क्या कर रहे हैं मैडम आले लुक टू इकडे आले लेफ्ट लेफ्ट
A photo opportunity with three of you for our media friends. We have in IIFA. You're now going to be an integral part of the IIFA family. Must be thrilled, right?
Yeah, definitely. Firstly, good evening, everyone. I am really thrilled, and as Raj Uncle said, I've been trying to be a part of the IIFA journey, but somehow it's not happened. But I'm really glad that the year it's happened, I have 2 nominations, and it's in New York. So it's really special, and yeah, I can't wait. I mean, I've heard about IIFA. I've watched IIFA as a kid. So I really can't wait.
All right, we're great to have you with us as well. Salman, our social media is flooded with messages from people from New York and across the globe. They're all going to be very excited to see you in New York. And all your fans want to know what you have to say to them about coming to New York and performing in IIFA.
Good evening. Good evening, everyone.
तो यही है कि I've done about 5 or 6 IIFAs till now. Not bored of it yet, and I don't think I'm ever going to get bored of it. New York, it's going to be lots of fun. It's not that we've had any lesser fun in any of the other countries. This IIFA award is like one of the largest that I've ever done. And this, these 3 days is like a holiday that you need about 2 weeks to recover from.
Katrina, you performed at the IIFA earlier as well. Is the excitement level even more than before because it's New York City?
For sure. New York is one of my favorite cities, and it's been, I think, about 5 or 6 years since I performed at IIFA. I think they always have the most amazing setup, the most amazing stages, and this particular stadium that we're performing in is really one of the best in the world, and I think it's going to be really exciting. And as Mr. Rajji said, it's airing live on my birthday. He's done that specially for me.
Yes, actually, that's the way they worked out the dates, 14, 15, and airing was on her birthday. The dates were supposed to be some other dates. It was week 12, 11, 12, 13. It didn't make any sense. You know, it's a national holiday. It's Katrina Kaif's birthday. And now that we're in New York, okay, even New York is going to be at a standstill.
So basically the whole globe is going to be celebrating your birthday, right, Katrina?
I'm hoping. That's kind of the plan.
Invite me.
You know, earlier we were just talking about you being nominated for Best Actor Female in a leading role, Ota Punjab, and of course Dear Zindagi as well. And you're going to be performing. So are you going to be more excited about your performance or hopefully holding the trophy in your hand?
Performance, because it's, as Katrina said, it's a huge stadium and it has a capacity of 40,000 people. I mean, that's unbelievable. So I've already started preparing. I'm just going to rehearse. I'm going to be dancing in my sleep. I can't wait to go there and perform for the people, and that's the best feeling ever. So yeah, I'm the performance for sure.
Katrina, any hints or a sneak peek as to what your performance is?
No. Yes and no. No, I don't know. But I think the choreographer Sanjay is really, really amazing. I've done one show with him before, and he's really excited. And I think that excitement is going to kind of hopefully transfer onto all of us. But I'm hoping it's something memorable. That video looked so amazing, so I need a few more clips in there for next time.
But you don't have anything to worry about. I think she's one of the best dancers we have in the industry.
Undoubtedly.
There's a tie going on.
Please, I'm terrible. I'm just cute, so
You can't be worse than me, and I'm not even cute.
So, any idea about what you're going to be doing on stage? Have you already planned your rehearsals?
I have no idea. Not yet. Only after I'm done with the performance, I perhaps might have an idea of what I have done on stage.
You've done quite a few IFAs, and you've got a great bond with the team of Wizcraft. You want to talk about that?
Andre and Viraf and Sabhas, we've known each other since we were kids.
Since we were kids.
But they're great guys to know as well.
They're superb.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we've got a few plaques to give as well to our dignitaries. So I'd like to call Mr. R.S. Kalsi on stage to receive the plaque from Katrina Kaif. So can we have you on stage, please?